This is a long old place here on the landscape, and recently had a heavy rains and created a little pond out there. Now these birds, funny how quick life could spring up on these little tiny ponds that way. But now there's it's drying up, and they're pecking away at the little minnows and little stuff that's been created by the water. Yeah, quite a bit of stuff out there, it looks like. And at the same time, all that rain made these trees bloom out. And these are crepe myrtles. As you can see, beautiful red one here. And the pink one here. Another pink one. And another pink one. And there's a couple white ones on down the road there. Look at there, what big bushy blooms they have. How sweet it is. Here's some kind of frogs probably out there. Probably little tiny frogs making a noise. Don't hear them now. Early birds catching frogs.